I just got my Zillabeau box from the Black Friday sale. Let's unbox it together.
Y'all, I got so much stuff. I'm so excited. This was all during the Black Friday sale. So this is the Love Love Syrup collection from Reposo, then the 10-piece magnetic color set. This is Pull in Summer. I also got this Marbling Effect set in A, and I got the top coat and base coat because I always feel like for sets you should have the top and bottom. And these are the Bling Metal Powder sets. Next from Tiny, I got the Delia and Delphina collection. It's a 12-piece set, and I got the base and top coat for them as well because keeping with the same mindset of having the base coats for each brand. Then I have First Street. This is a magnetic set. I'm so in love with these colors. They are gorgeous. Next, we have some Fiote colors that I just fell in love with. You have a blue, purple, this nice plum color, then a beige, but this red I'm in love with. Then we got some buffing blocks, some nail files, a nail brush, get that dust out of your nails. This is the Izemi base gel, the recent, and the top gel. They come as a set. Next, we have some Bonnie B powders, and this is the one I'm the most excited for. These are my cordless lamps. Yes, I got two for each side of my desk. I need these to get rid of all the cords in my desk, so I can't wait to use these. And this is my haul. All these items can be found on Zillabeau, and you can use my code HERBLACK10 to save.